Dreaming of a private oasis that blends luxury and nature? Welcome to your new home, a breathtaking 10-acre gated estate, just minutes from Lake Norman and Charlotte. Step inside and discover the elegance of this chef's kitchen, complete with top-tier appliances, induction cooktop, and a spacious walk-in pantry. Relax on the covered or uncovered deck, overlooking your private pool and hot tub and forest, perfect for unwinding or entertaining. Retreat to your luxurious master suite, featuring an expansive walk-in closet, dual vanities, and a spa-inspired zero-entry shower. Enjoy the beauty of the outdoors with your sprawling deck, lush landscaping, and easy access to the Serene Creek, right in your backyard. With endless potential, including unfinished attic space ready for your custom touch, this estate is truly a blend of charm, practicality, and luxury. Don't miss your chance to own this private paradise. Schedule your private tour today and see this stunning estate for yourself.